Hey everyone, Denika here. In a previous video, we showed you how to build this raised garden bed, and in this one, we're going to talk about how and what to plant inside. So if your garden bed is under 6 inches high, you're going to need a weed barrier. You will use a cardboard or a landscaping paper. Ours is 10 inches high, so we're not going to need that. So the next thing you're going to need is your soil. If you're not sure about how much you need to put in your garden box, there's tons of calculators online that can help you out. It's pretty straightforward. Rip the bags open and dump them in. Plants need nitrogen in order to grow, and if they don't have enough, they will be stunted. There's two ways to go about that. You can buy a nitrogen-enriched soil that can be a little bit pricier though, so if you're on a budget, campfire ashes and coffee grounds is the perfect way to go. Garden centers usually classify these as NPK fertilizers. That stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Your coffee grounds are going to give you the nitrogen, and your ashes are going to give you the phosphorus and potassium. So if you drink coffee and have campfires, you can make your own. Another thing you can do is add peas to the vegetables you're planting. They are nitrogen fixing plants and they produce their own, and they'll add it to the soil. So because of the size of our garden, we're going to be using the nitrogen enriched soil. We're going to spread it across the top and rake it so that it's level. So you can fill your raised garden bed early on in the season, but you don't want to plant any of your plants inside until there's no risk of frost. So now that the weather is warmer and we don't have to worry about the risk of frost, we can get our tomatoes and our peas in our raised garden bed. Just dig a little hole. Your peas are going to go about 2 inches in. You don't want to take the plant out of the soil, you want to take the soil that it has grown in and put it in the box. Same thing, just press it around so that it's secure into the soil. And standing up straight. And your peas go 2 to 3 inches apart, and we're going to do them in a long row. So you're going to want to set your tomato plants much further away from any other vegetables that you have in the garden. They grow really big, really fast, and they need to be about 24 inches away from any other plant. So we had these seedlings growing inside as a project for the kids. They're looking a little bit dry because they are in the home, but as soon as we give them a good drink of water, they'll pop back up again. Make sure that you do give them a good drink of water every single day. Keep it in the morning or the evening though, because midday waters, the sun's just going to evaporate it and they're not going to actually drink it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions or garden tips, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.